In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're going to quickly and cleanly launch the Figma to Roblox tool right inside Figma so you can start moving your interface designs into your Roblox workflow without any confusion. Before we begin, make sure you have a Figma design file open and active. Plugins won't run from the file browser or the home screen. First, click on the action icon at the top of the Figma window. This is the small resources button that looks like 4 squares. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also open this panel using the standard resources shortcut, but clicking the icon is the most straightforward way to follow along. When the resources panel opens, you'll see a search bar and a set of tabs that organize tools and extensions. Next, in the search bar, type Figma to Roblox. Be careful with spelling so the correct result appears. This plugin is designed to help translate your Figma frames and components into assets that make sense in Roblox. So it's a handy bridge between design and development. If you don't see it immediately, give the results a moment to load and confirm you're searching within the resources catalog, not your local components. Now go to Plugins and Widgets. In the Resources panel, you'll notice tabs for plugins and widgets. Make sure you're looking under Plugins, since that's where the Figma to Roblox tool lives. Widgets are interactive elements you place on the canvas, but in this case, we want a plugin that runs alongside your file. If you've used it recently, it may appear in the recent list. Otherwise, keep the Plugins tab active to see the full result. Once you've found it, click on Figma to Roblox. This opens the plugins details view so you can confirm it's the correct tool. You can glance at the description to ensure it matches your needs. If the page shows multiple items with similar names, select the one clearly labeled as a plugin for exporting or connecting to Roblox. Finally, click on Run. This launches the plugin in a panel within your Figma window. Give it a second to load. If Figma asks for permissions, review and accept them so the plugin can access your current file. From here, follow the on-screen guidance provided by the plugin to prepare and export your designs. If the Run button is disabled, make sure your design file is open and you have at least one frame selected. If search returns nothing, double-check your internet connection and try again. That's it. You've opened Figma to Roblox, and you're ready to continue